Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, how y'all doing today? As you can see, I have it laid out for you, but I want to ask you a question. Can you guess what I'm getting ready to cook? As you can see, I have cheddar jack cheese, I got green onions, I got lettuce, I have ground turkey meat, I have tomatoes, jalapenos, onions. Did I say mayo? Did I say mustard? Can you guess what I'm getting ready to cook? I'll wait. Hey y'all, we getting ready to season the meat. How y'all doing? As you can see right in front of you all, made some good old delicious turkey burgers. Baby, I can't wait. We got tomatoes, we got cheese, we got fresh jalapenos and onions here, and we have the lettuce, and I am having a lettuce wrap. Turkey burger lettuce wrap. And over here, I have some sweet potato fries. Let's get with it, y'all. I am hungry. I want to add a little mayo. A little mayo, just a little. Let me know if you all have had a turkey lettuce wrap burger or just a lettuce wrap burger, period. If not, man, you need to try it. Try it. Ooh, y'all, look at the tomatoes. Okay, so let's add the burger. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Look at that. There's some fresh cheese, some fresh jalapenos and onions, and some pickled jalapeno. Yes. Ooh. Yeah, my mouth is watering. And just a tad bit, if I can get it out, mustard. Yeah. Shall I add another lettuce? Oh no, this is perfect. Look, y'all. Y'all, that burger has cheese, cheddar cheese in it. It have green onions. It have fresh jalapenos. It have regular onions. Inside the burger, it was cooked inside, as you saw. So let's eat it, y'all. Y'all, I'm so hungry. Y'all want a first bite? How it look? Hopefully it look good. Woo! Let's bite this. Ugh. Let's go. Mmm. 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 Put some of my sweet potato fries up here. Mmm. Did I get a thumbnail? Y'all, you know what? When I film it this way, it's hard to get a thumbnail. So hopefully you all like the videos I've been posting. Mmm. 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 Yeah, that's good. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, I told you I've been on this craving kick. At my age, craving, baby. And I was craving this. Mmm. 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 Mm-mm. Last time I was craving the tuna pasta salad. This time I'm craving lettuce wrapped turkey burgers. Is my body telling me, on the serious side, my body telling me, hey, you need to start eating healthy? Because baby, your body will talk to you. The key is you have to listen. Mmm. 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 And these sweet potato fries, you don't need no ketchup, no ranch. I mean, I have had it with ketchup and ranch, but I just want to taste the sweet potato. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Sometimes you can put too much stuff on your food and it take away from the natural flavor. And speaking of a natural flavor, actually my body have been just craving for, like when I'm cooking certain foods like fried chicken or pork chops, I just want salt and pepper. I don't want all that seasoned salt, slap your mama season, onion powder, garlic powder. I just want salt and pepper. I just want to, I guess it's just take me back to my childhood. Because I don't too much remember my mama cooking with all that. Mmm. 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 Y'all, this is good. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Maybe I wanted to lick that off, but it was too much.